Hello guys, you are welcome again to another wonderful video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add a Telegram chat button to your website. Just as you can see on your right hand side of your website here, this particular one, how you can add it to your website. All right, irrespective of the kind of website you have designed, how you can attach this kind of chat button, a Telegram chat button to your website. Okay. By the way, my name is Amadine Etiosa. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, do well to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you always be notified whenever quality videos like this are posted. Okay, so without wasting much time, I'll be showing you how you can do this step by step. Right, the first thing you need to do is to come to a site called myalice.ai. All right, this is the site here, myalice.ai. I will drop the link of the website in the description of the video. All right, so it's called myalice.ai. Okay, so once you come to this particular website, all right, all you need to do is to come back to this part that says your Telegram username. All right, you need to insert your Telegram username. Okay, so just go to your site and copy your Telegram username and insert it here. All right, so for me, I'll just go ahead and put my Telegram username. Okay, so but for you, if you don't have that, just get your own Telegram username. If you don't have, just create an account of Telegram and you get your username there. All right, you get your username there. So once you come back, just paste it here. So I'll just put it expert. All right, so this is my Telegram username. So once you are done, the next thing is you already know the code for this is the color code for Telegram. Okay, the next thing is just come over to this part and says okay, that says generate Telegram button code. This button, once you are done putting your username, your Telegram username, just leave every other thing there. Come back to this part that says your generate Telegram button code. Generate Telegram button code. Just click on it. Now the code has been generated. This is the code. All right, this is the code. Just copy the code. So once you copy the code, go back to your cPanel. Go to your where you have all your files. All right. So just come down. If you copy the code, remember you're going to insert the code in each of the files. All right, if you have 10 files, meaning that you're going to insert it in 10 files. Like for instance, I've just copied, I will insert it in the index, I will insert it in the prices.html, I will insert it in services.html, I will also insert it in about us.html and the rest of them. Now let's go ahead and do that. So I'll come back to this index.html, right click on it and select edit. All right, select edit. All right, just scroll down. All right, before the body, all right, this is the body. Before the body, okay, I think I've done this before. Let me do. All right, so I'll come to this. All right, so I'll come to this. Let me edit this. Okay, click on this. I'll edit that. So just scroll down to where you have before the body. All right, this is the WhatsApp button. This is the WhatsApp button widget. All right, now I want to insert a Telegram. So I'll just click on this. All right, this is because the code is always before the body. All right, this is the closing body. So I'll just come down a bit and paste the code I copied. All right, so once I paste the code, now also look at this. The message is messages. All right, the position of the icon is right. All right, you can as well change it to left if you want it to be at the left hand side. You can see position is right. All right, if you want it to be at the left hand side, just erase this right and insert left. Okay, that is how it is done. So I'll just click on that and save changes. All right, so once I'm done saving my changes, I'll just come here. All right, this is the one I did before. So let me just remove this. All right, so as I do that now, all right, so just do my refreshing. All right, so the two code will be here. All right, can you see it now? This is the Telegram, while this is the WhatsApp. So I want the Telegram to be on my left hand side. So I will just come back to this part here. Instead of right, I'll just select left. All right, I'll select left. Can you see that? I'll put that as what? Left. Then I'll click on save changes again. All right, click on save changes. Then I'll come here. Then I'll reload this. All right, so that the code, can you see that it has separated itself? This is the WhatsApp, while this is the Telegram. All right, this is how to insert a Telegram on your website. All right, how to insert a Telegram button. So once they click on this now, it takes them straight to your Telegram account. All right, that is the reason why you need to insert your username. All right, this is your username here, your Telegram username. That's the reason why you have to insert your Telegram username. Okay, hope you enjoyed this particular video. If you do, kindly like the video, comment, and don't forget to always share if you enjoy this video. If you're having any challenge, just drop in the comment section. I'll be glad to help you fix it. All right, thank you and see you in my next video.